More research is suggesting that people who are obese have a higher risk of developing severe COVID-19. Australian researchers studied data from more than 7,000 hospitalized COVID patients in 11 countries. Those who were obese were more likely to require oxygen and were 73% more likely to need invasive mechanical ventilation. Similar but more modest results were seen in those who were overweight. However, the study authors say there was no association between being obese and dying from the virus. Children with disabilities are 3 times more likely to become victims of abuse and neglect than their peers. That's according to a troubling new report from the American Academy of Pediatrics. Researchers say these statistics are likely underreported because many children are too young to voice their mistreatment. They urge pediatricians to talk with parents of disabled patients about the difficulties they face and offer support and community resources. The U.S. Children's Bureau found that 678,000 children were victims of abuse or neglect in 2018. A new study suggests people who work hours that differ from their natural body clock may face a higher risk of poor heart health. Researchers in Portugal looked at about 300 employees who worked one of 3 shifts. They also gathered data about their sleep habits and other lifestyle behaviors. They found for each hour gap in a person's biological clock and working hours, their odds of poor heart health increased by 31%. And new research reveals people at high risk for heart disease can benefit from getting up and moving. A Dutch study tracked 18,000 adults with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or diabetes for about 7 years. It showed those who made moderate to large improvements in physical activity reduced their risk of cardiovascular disease or death by 30%. Now let's check in with Hutch for one last look at our forecast. Hutch?
All right, Stacy, as we looked earlier at the Devil's Lake area and saw some clouds, we have clouds stretching all the way to the South Dakota border. Some winds are a little robust out there. Even in the FM area, we're gusting to almost 40 miles per hour. So windy and chilly with passing clouds. Most areas stay dry. By tomorrow, more clouds, more wind from the north. As the snow showers we see up in the oil patch will slowly slide to the east as we go into the morning hours. So a hit and miss day with passing showers of snow in the morning and into the afternoon for our far western counties, the way things look. The rest of us, another cool day in the 30s for most, a shot at near 40 south of Fargo and near the South Dakota border. But it's not all bad. After a chilly Tuesday, take a look at this freezing line as it ships its way back up into Canada. Wednesday, we begin a warm-up. Thursday looks real nice. Then heading into the weekend, we cool off a little bit, but it does look like some pretty good outdoor weather as well.
All right, and at least we had our sun back today.
We did see some sun, and it felt nice.
Thanks so much, Hutch. Thanks for joining us.